Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC+CORE part #W11419171. Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC+CORE part #W11419171 is a control board and motor core assembly for Whirlpool washing machines. It is used to control the operation of the washer, including water level, wash cycle selection, and spin speed. The part includes a control board and motor core assembly, which are both necessary for the proper functioning of the washer. The control board is responsible for sending signals to the motor core assembly, which then controls the various functions of the washer. This part is compatible with several models of Whirlpool washing M. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement control board and core for Whirlpool refrigerators. It is used to fix issues such as cooling problems, temperature control issues, and other electrical malfunctions. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unpack the Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC+CORE part #W11419171 and make sure all components are present. 2. Read the installation instructions carefully and follow all safety precautions. 3. Locate the appropriate mounting location for the control board and secure it with screws or bolts as necessary. 4. Connect the power supply to the control board using the provided wiring, harnesses, and terminals. Make sure all connections are secure and free of corrosion or damage. 5. Connect the core to the control board using the provided wiring, harnesses, and terminal. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.